Hi, it's Bill with Immaculate Paint Protection. We're here with this 2020 Range Rover, long wheelbase, matte finish. We did foam soak wash, we pressure washed it. We put an iron removing product in the hood, front bumper, the fenders. I took all the iron off. We foamed it up again. We did our contact wash using a 2-bucket method. 1 bucket for the rinse to shake out any grit that's located in the wash mitt. Took it into our wash solution, did a small section at a time, rinsed it off, got the car wet again, felt with our hands. The car was really pretty clean. There was just a couple spots we used our clay bar, or synthetic clay bar, that removed any of the bonded on contaminants. Now we're going to step into the next phase. We're going to prep the car for paint protection film. For these Range Rovers here, to make a super clean install, we like to remove the badges. And then we will put the black badges on, so for aesthetic reasons, the client will have the car they want. To remove the badges, we're going to use our heat gun with plasticine to it. There's a pressure-sensitive adhesive that attaches all these badges to the factory. So we'll get it warm, we'll use some fishing wire, you'll see how that happens. We'll get behind there. We'll be real delicate and we'll lift them up, and everything will be fine. So to remove the residual adhesive and foam, we're going to use Gyeon tar here. Effectively removes tar, but also works great as an adhesive remover. We like it here because we know it's super safe for this paint. Just going to let it dwell on there. We'll soften up. So you're using a plastic razor blade here, that way we're not scratching the paint. So we're good to go for paint protection film now. Now we're going to spray slip solution to the hood, and then we're going to transfer the piece of paint protection film onto the hood. We'll tack it down and we'll start squeegeeing out. To do this, it's considered a bulk install, which means we're going to pull the material directly out of the box. These Range Rover hoods are extremely difficult to do. They require a little more stretch to get it down around this area. So just based upon our experience, installed a few of these, we found that the bulk custom install is the best way to go on the Range Rover. That also gives us the opportunity to fully wrap underneath the hood here. For the rest of the vehicle, we will use our computer cut kits. Now we're going to apply the matte paint protection film to the driver's side mirror of this 2020 Range Rover. Okay, mirrors are done. We're going to do the driver's side fender. It's a full fender, so it's going to go to here to here. It's going to roll up into the engine compartment. It's matte finish to match this matte finish paint. We're going to apply it to the whole the main bumper here. We have the paint protection film cut out on our table. It's been computer cut. We're going to spray some soap and water solution to get it loose so it doesn't stick to itself. And then we're going to transfer it onto the vehicle.
If you have any questions, contact us at immaculatepaintprotection.com.